You! Yes, you! Is that how you sit in front of the queen? Back straight, chin high, feet together. Show some respect. I did not spend hours perfecting my royal posture just to look at the slouching object. The standard will crumble without me. Well, I am the heart of this kingdom. Without the Queen of Hearts, Wonderland would be, well, a mess, a disaster, a poorly organized tea party. Speaking of tea parties, don't even remind me about the Mad Hatter. That man has the audacity to serve tea without even asking the Queen first. What kind of host does that? I should have ran those parties so everything would be perfect. But no, I guess Wonderland prefers chaos. But of course, I, the Queen, rises above it. You see, being a queen is about crowns or royal gowns. It's about presence, power. Because everyone knows when the Queen of Hearts speaks, you listen. But if you don't listen, you already know. I don't always have to say it, but I'll say it anyway because it sounds fabulous. Off with their heads! Now, bring me my pink flamingo. What is this? It took you so long to get a flamingo and you even gave me the wrong color. I asked for pink and you gave me red. Card holders never paying attention. Ridiculous! Finally, now, let's go. We have a kingdom to rule, roses to inspect, and a croquet match I fully intend to win. Because in Wonderland, everything runs smoothly only when the Queen is obeyed. Remember, I am the Queen of Hearts, bold,